Alright, the video you guys are about to see is us installing MSD two-step on a Mustang 2011 GT.
Alright, we got this box right here. It's going to go in this bad boy. It's a two-step MSD.
Alright, so we're gonna start unpackaging the MSD.
Woo! Some harness right here. We don't need that. Alright, we need this for some action, some launch. Good launches. Alright, we're gonna take off the strip bar, all this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we're gonna take off this cover and this cover right here and this one right here to get to the coil. Alright, there we go. It's kind of hard time taking this one off because there's a little thing you have to push out. Alright, now to install the harness. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna push this up. You see all these red? They're little clips. You have to push them up to the top. You push this black thing down, then you hear it clicking, and then you pull up. And this one back here, I use something to push down. You hear it click. Alright, so it's kind of simple. All this harness, each one has their own distance. You can't mess this up. If you do, then I don't know what to tell you. You click there, and then you click this one down here. Push it, clips, then push that back down. Do the same up here. Fly out, and do the same thing to this one.
Halfway done with this shit, nigga. That's on bloods.
Alright, we're gonna put this over here on this side. Like right here. Hide it from everywhere else, you know. Make it look clean. Move that out the way. And we put double-sided tape. It comes with, right here, comes with this hardware to drill it, but we're not gonna drill it. So we're just gonna hide it over here. There we go. And then, you know, it's pretty straightforward. You just connect all these right here, and that's it. Right. Now onto these wires. All right. Shit. Okay. So this one right here, this black one, we're gonna ground it right here. There's somewhere around here, this area, and these wires we're gonna pass them through here to the firewall, to the inside, connect it to the clutch, and this white and blue, as you can see, it's white and blue. We're gonna connect that to the clutch. This one we'll just pass it just in case if I want to make a switch for it. down the road to tap in the wires. I'm gonna tap it to this one, and down here there's a green and black one, and we're gonna use it. Show you what I was talking about, what wire to tap into. Alright, you see the blue and white. Let's run through there. It's up there, tapped in, connected right there to that green and black. Pretty much that's all you have to do. Let's check the two-step turns on. All right, if you see that, it's all good, that light. Now to put everything back together, reassemble it. Got the engine covers back on. Now we're gonna put the strut bar. Simple. There we go. Got the bolts right here.
Alright guys, so on this video we showed you how to install MSD two-step on a Mustang 5.0 GT. If you guys like it, like and subscribe. Alright guys, forgot to tell you guys, we'll be installing BBK long tube headers and off-road X-Pipe on the next video coming. Stay tuned.